Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about how to study for the family medicine shelf. Family medicine can be a tricky shelf to take if it's the first one you're taking, or if you're taking it before you're taking your internal medicine shelf. So here are the ways that I studied for it, even though it was my first shelf. First off, there aren't many books that are great for it, but I used the Step Up to Medicine textbook that I would be using for my internal medicine, and I went to the ambulatory chapter within this textbook. There's a good 55 pages in there that helps and covers some of the basics. Next up, I had this book because there aren't your world questions specifically for family medicine. This is Pretest for family medicine, and there are 500 questions in here with detailed explanations. So I would highly recommend getting this book, plus this was the one that was always in my pocket. Next up is my favorite go-to as well, which is the Case File series for family medicine. Unfortunately, my friend right now is borrowing it, so I don't have the physical copy. But this is a great resource. Again, there's 60 cases and they cover a wide variety of things that you would need to know for this shelf. Next, we have Know Your World, No Anki, but we do have a different app that I would highly recommend for this shelf and for using on the wards when you're studying family medicine, and that is the EPSS app. This covers the USPS TF guidelines, wow, that's a mouthful, and it's great for checking on what you should be screening for, and it has everything listed so you can actually read through all of the different guidelines. There's not that many of them, so try to read 1 or 2 per day, and that'll be helpful. All right, so for breaking this up, what should you be doing? Well, read the 55 pages in this textbook, super quick. You can probably do it within 2 days, and then try to do 15 questions per day from the pretest and 2 cases per day. And that's it. That's all I know of how to study for family medicine. If you guys have other resources that you think people would be interested in, please share them below in the comments. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this one, and please, as always, like and subscribe. Alright, see you guys later.